for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Hi. Where are you? So guys, this is the first part of our vlog. Andito tayo ngayon sa somewhere. Angelfields Sanctuary, something like that. Dito po sa may Tagaytay. No, I'm vlogging already.
Oh.
This is a test.
Yeah, lagi tayong dumadaan dyan. Tapos ngayon lang tayo.
Yeah.
This place is nice.
I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. Thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice.
You know that game
Ganda
where you
dito, guys.
jump shadow to shadow and not touch the light?
What's that? But that's hard. Yan, meron pa silang coffee. And meron silang farm. But, yan, so we're here in the farm. Ayan, meron silang farm, pero kailangan mo munang kumain sa restaurant for a minimum of 500 pesos. Ayan. How? Sige nga.
I don't think this will work. First,
Ayan,
go
yun
in front of
nasa
it,
likod. Oh. Yun nasa
and then
likod.
introduce yourself and then pick it up.
Ayun, yun nasa likod. Ayun, yung dami. Oh. Yun
You need to
nakahiga.
run in front of it.
Ah, yun nakaupo pala. Go, Prince. Yeah.
How to pick up a duck.
How to pick up a duck. Two hands. Two hands. Ayan yan nakaupo. Run, 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 run. Run. Tagal mo naman eh.
Over there, the crowd. Nice spot. Yeah. Don't come near it. They run away. Yeah.
Bilisan mo naman, Tito Alex.
Quack, quack.
Get it.
Quack, quack. Quack, just run. You just have to
Ikaw
go.
naman yung nag-scare eh.
You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle.
Kaya pala sinasabing parang ang kambing pag nagchuchu ka ng gum, no? Bakit nga ba? Ha?
Mouth nila. Nag-a-adjust.
Ah. Ayan na, umalis na. Bye-bye. Ayan na, dede siya, guys. Ayan na. Nagdedede. In there, Nicole.
KFC.
KFC? Where?
They're playing duck duck goose.
Lek!
What the?
Lek!
What are they doing? My guy, stop fighting.
Fighting.
I thought he was eating a dead kid. Stop it. Cut it. Stop it. Wait, where's my phone? Stop it off.
Hey, why did you?
Sorry.
Where?
Touch it.
Where is it? Ayun
Over
yung
there in
mga-
the wall.
Ang ganda naman.
It's like a
Oh.
coffee shop.
Bahay ko nga pala.
Around the kid.
Ayan ah, guys.
Bye-bye, duckies.
Bahay ko nga pala, guys. Sana nag-roll.
Yes.
Ayan, bahay ko nga pala to, guys. There. Yep. Prince, is that our house?
No, it's not.
Why? You snitch.
She's just doing that.
Snitch.
She's just doing that for the video.
I was like, oh my.
Where is it? See, it's so big, ah.
Crystal, I want to touch it. Can I?
I don't know, eh.
Hey!
Talaga to, eh. Noong kulit to.
No, my
Pakihuli nga po.
No, my turn.
Shell.
Go!
I'm going with you.
Close it, close it. They might run outside.
Oh, just unlock. Help me!
Go, go, go.
Just touch the, ano,
Come on, I'll
shell.
go with you. I'm scared. What does it
Is it hard?
Yeah, it's hard like shell. Don't touch it. It's really good. Oh, they're so cute. I want to touch their head.
Go, touch it.
Don't touch their head. They're so cute. There's one coming towards us. No!
Run.
Bukas pa yan. Bukas pa yan dadating.
Come on, so cute. I want to touch it. I love you so much. We discovered a new species of animal. You're also a celebrity now. So what do you want to say in the mic?
I'm coming towards you guys.
Oh my god! You got attracted by leaves. Come on! Come on! Get the leaves.
I think Boy is gonna feed the tiger.
Ah, yun, bibigyan niya tayo ng, ano, pangkain.
Oh my gosh! Hello!
Bubuksan, ano mo na, angat mo lang, te. Ayan, no. Hingi kayo.
Are they coming closer?
I'll get one kay kuya. Thank you po. Say thank you.
I want to feed you.
Feed.
Which one do you want to feed? This one?
I want to feed this one. So cute!
Make him walk, make him walk, make him walk.
No!
Yeah, make
A
him walk.
little lang.
Beating.
A little.
No, Prince. Just a bit.
Kailan lahat sila, kuya?
Yeah.
13 po yan. 13. Wala, 12 na lang eh.
So cute.
Mga ilang taon na itong malalaki?
Fine, Dora, feed this baby. I think you're eating too much of it.
Yung iba naman, yung ibang turtle naman, Prince.
Okay.
Oh, feed this.
Why can't you eat?
No! No!
Kaingay ni Tito Alex, eh. Oh, yung iba naman, yung ibang turtle naman.
Wait. This one's cute. You want more?
Oh, look! You're on a staring contest.
Kasi sumama eh. Hingi ka pa ng leaf. Ayan, get ka pa dun, Prince.
Oh, this guy wants some.
Prince,
There you go.
get ka pa ng leaf.
Oh, you already got fed.
Which one?
Now they learn.
Ayan o, ayan o.
That's all.
Mm.
I can beat so many. I'm gonna beat so many. Come on. Is this snapping towards it?
No, it's a tortoise. Ayan na, Prince. Lapit pa to. Oh.
Hello, guys.
Oh, ang daming ano ni Prince, pets.
Hello. It's so big. It's terrifying. All can eat buffet.
Prince, look!
All can eat buffet. Come over here. Pay for $0. It's all for free.
You're the tortoise vendor. I mean, tamer.
Watch out! They nailed it down. I cannot even lift it.
Parang sila yung may tela doon sa loob.
Hey, they're going to chomp me.
Oh no, there.
Are you the one I fed?
Nope. It's still there. Oh, how is it gonna be here?
Come and eat in the all-you-can-eat buffet. Take this buffet. Come and eat. He's chasing me.
Excuse me.
Cause you're stopping him. Oh, here.
Sila.
Uh-huh.
Parang silang dinosaurs.
Wait, what? Can I hear the guys? Not this one. Here, make that sound.
I don't know eh.
That's so cute.
Oh, they're
I want
thirsty.
more.
They want some iced coffee.
No! That's a bad idea. There's turkey and fish.
May turkey? Oh, get one
They're
lang.
the same, but there's a star.
Yeah.
Where do I
It's
put
all the same.
Here?
Yep. Okay, that's it. Bigyan mo si Prince ha.
Cat.
What are we gonna do with that? Eat it, right?
I'm just joking.
Sana
We'll use it to season
sana
the chicken.
ginamit na. Ma? Yeah, ito lang malapit.
I also saw something like that.
Dito sa ano?
Oh.
Dito sa may ano?
Come on. Over here.
I think here, Nicole, dapat. Nicole, dito sa ano? Dito sa floor.
Come from the cup.
In the floor.
I'm feeding the fish.
In the floor.
I'm feeding the fish.
Put some in the floor. Saan galing yung crackers mo?
I just want it in the floor.
Oh, really?
Pepper. Friends, here.
Put it in the floor.
What do I do this for? You can feed the fish or the duck.
Just here. Just here. Ayan o. Oh.
Ah, why just throw it to me? Have to go to the
Oh,
food
ate,
there.
hungry pa to, ate. Oh, can you put it in your hand lang?
I'm so hungry. It's eating so fast.
Tinda din sila ng egg.
Bili ko yan.
Free-range eggs for sale. Ayan yung mga vlogger nga pala ako. Nakalimutan ko. Ano yan? Ano yan, miss? Magkano yon? Ha?
Miss, ano
I'm not
dito?
selling.
They're not selling. Tagaytay.
Nothing else?
Nothing else. Market, Tagaytay.
Yes, madam, kapin baka umano mo, baka kailangan. Ay, ang bricks, be. Gusto mo na yan?
Di ba yung kalsada? Tanong mo.
Apo. 600. Wala tawad? Wala nang bawas? Wala nang bawas. Kaya lalo na pag yung ground na, hindi na maganda. Kaya ako yung hindi ground.
Let's vlog. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Market in Anyway, bumili ako ng santol. Ito. 2 kilo. 100. Tapos pagkalipat namin, ayun. Binibigay sa amin 100 lang. Ang dami. Guys, we're going to... Saan tayo pupunta? Lola Mami. And I have a new driver.
IKEA. What?
Oh, I have a new driver and this is the passenger prince.
Ano ba yan? What if I
Ayan na.
just press beep?
Beep. Sige, go. Lakasan mo. Pindutin mo. Pindut.
Hi.
Go. Pindutin mo.
Oh my gosh.
Long press it. Long press.
I'm a driver. Let's go to IKEA, everybody.
Look. Ang bato, nanghihingi pa eh. Kailangan mo.
Pang dispo lang po. Sino, te? Te, maganda ka naman, te. Pang dispo lang, te.
What's this?
Dispo, pang dispo. Ano, te?
This po, anong flavor?
Ano? Watermelon.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun. I'm waiting for the special touch you give.